The 2026 Indian Sport Chief RT represents a bold evolution of Indian Motorcycle's performance cruiser philosophy, taking everything riders loved about the Sport Chief and elevating it into a more capable, more refined, and more touring-ready machine straight from the factory. This is not just a Sport Chief with accessories added on. The Sport Chief RT is a purpose-built motorcycle designed for riders who want aggressive V-twin performance without sacrificing comfort, practicality, or long-distance usability. From its premium components to its factory-installed touring features, the Sport Chief RT is Indian Motorcycle's answer to riders who demand more from a performance cruiser. At the heart of the Sport Chief RT sits Indian Motorcycle's legendary Thunderstroke 116 engine. This air-cooled 1,890cc V-twin is all about torque, delivering a massive 156 Newton-meters or 120 foot-pounds of raw pulling power. That torque is available across all 6 gears, giving the bike an effortlessly muscular feel whether you're rolling through city streets, overtaking on the highway, or charging down an open back road. The Thunderstroke 116 isn't about chasing peak horsepower numbers. It's about character, sound, and immediate response. Every twist of the throttle delivers a deep, authoritative surge that defines the classic American 5-twin experience, while still meeting modern expectations for refinement and rideability. Indian pairs that engine with 3 selectable ride modes: Sport, Standard, and Tour. Each mode delivers a different throttle response, allowing the rider to tailor the bike's behavior to their mood or riding conditions. Sport mode sharpens throttle input for aggressive riding. Standard balances power and smoothness for everyday use, and Tour softens response for relaxed cruising and long-distance comfort. One of the biggest upgrades that defines the Sport Chief RT is its factory-fitted touring equipment. Indian listened closely to rider feedback, and the result is a motorcycle that arrives ready for real-world riding right out of the showroom. The locking rigid saddlebags are a major highlight. Designed to protect cargo from the elements, they offer more than 10 gallons of usable storage space, or over 37 liters combined. Their forward-opening design maximizes accessibility while maintaining a sleek, integrated look that doesn't disrupt the bike's aggressive profile. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or heading out for a weekend escape, these saddlebags turn the Sport Chief RT into a genuinely practical machine. Mounted discreetly behind the quarter fairing is the Powerband Audio Bluetooth speaker system. This factory-installed system delivers crystal-clear sound even at highway speeds, thanks to its dual 2.5-inch mid-range speakers, 1.5-inch tweeters, and a powerful 4.5-inch woofer. The result is rich, balanced audio that enhances long rides without overwhelming the bike's visual design. Comfort has also been significantly improved with the inclusion of a 2-up high bolster seat as standard. This seat not only adds a more aggressive, custom-inspired look, but also increases cushion and support for both rider and passenger. The raised bolster helps keep the rider planted during hard acceleration, while still offering long-distance comfort for extended rides. Ergonomics play a key role in the Sport Chief RT's riding experience. The bike features machined risers paired with moto-style handlebars, delivering a sporty yet comfortable riding position. Forward-mounted foot controls allow the rider's legs to stretch into a relaxed posture, reducing fatigue on longer journeys while maintaining a commanding stance over the bike. Wind protection comes courtesy of the quarter fairing and a 6.5-inch windscreen, which help reduce wind pressure on the rider's chest without sacrificing the bike's muscular, performance-oriented appearance. It strikes an excellent balance between function and style, especially for riders who want protection without committing to a full touring fairing. Underneath the bold styling, the Sport Chief RT benefits from some of the best suspension and braking components in the Indian motorcycle lineup. Up front, KYB inverted forks provide precise steering feedback and confidence-inspiring control. At the rear, Fox piggyback shocks offer 23-click adjustability, allowing riders to fine-tune compression and rebound damping to suit their weight, riding style, or road conditions. Braking performance is handled by dual Brembo 4-piston calipers gripping semi-floating 320mm rotors up front. The braking feel is strong, progressive, and reassuring, giving the rider complete confidence when pushing the bike hard or managing its considerable torque output. The wheels further emphasize the Sport Chief RT's performance intent with a 19-inch front and 16-inch rear lightweight cast alloy setup finished in a contrast-cut design. Wrapped in Metzeler CruiseTech tires, the bike offers excellent grip, stability, and responsiveness across a wide range of riding scenarios. Technology and rider-focused features are seamlessly integrated without detracting from the bike's raw mechanical character. The Sport Chief RT comes standard with cruise control, keyless ignition, Bosch ABS, full LED lighting, and a USB charging port, features that modern riders expect, especially on a premium performance cruiser. At the center of the cockpit is Indian Motorcycle's 4-inch touchscreen display powered by Ride Command. This system provides access to navigation, audio controls, ride information, and connectivity features via Bluetooth. Riders can manage music, view turn-by-turn directions, and even handle phone calls when paired with a compatible helmet communicator. Ride Command Plus further enhances ownership by adding connected features such as account syncing and advanced ride data, allowing riders to stay connected to their motorcycle beyond the ride itself. Stylistically, the Sport Chief RT embodies Indian Motorcycle's custom-inspired design language. Premium paint options, machined components, and purposeful details give the bike a factory-custom presence that stands out without feeling excessive. It's a motorcycle that commands attention while remaining true to its performance cruiser roots. Ultimately, the 2026 Indian Sport Chief RT is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement. It proves that a performance cruiser can be aggressive, comfortable, practical, and technologically advanced without losing its soul. By combining the Thunderstroke 116's raw torque with premium suspension, touring-ready equipment, and modern rider aids, Indian Motorcycle has created a machine that feels equally at home carving back roads or devouring highway miles. For riders who want factory-built performance with real-world capability, the Sport Chief RT delivers an experience that is bold, confident, and unmistakably Indian Motorcycle.